Hi, welcome to Lost on the Lanes. This is an unusual one for us. We're going to look at a motorbike today. We tend to do lanes, but Kev and I were recently at the ABR festival. And whilst we were there, we were on the Suzuki stand looking at the DR-Z400S and having a chat about that. And we asked, why does it only have 5 gears? I didn't even realise that some bikes didn't have 6 gears. Stick with us and we'll find out what they say.
Everything that is yellow is new to this engine.
It's only got a 5-speed gearbox.
Oh really? Why has it only got a 5-speed gearbox?
I don't know. You'll have to ask Suzuki about that one.
So the Suzuki 400 is a long-standing favourite in the dual sport world. It offers a good balance between on-road comfort and that off-road capability with the size of the engine. You can do a 60 miles an hour, maybe even 65, and it not be impacted too much by wind. Unlike my Fantic 250 that really, when it's getting up there, it's starting to shake a bit. It's been going for nearly 25 years. It was first introduced in the early 2000s, and it's remained largely unchanged over the years. Now, I wanted to know, is this a testament to its solid design and enduring appeal, or is it just because they couldn't be bothered updating the kit? So let's find out.
Well, the old one only had a 5-speed box. Okay. Basically, when they were developing this new model, the factory looked at the 6 gear, but it would have made the cases a lot wider. Okay, so a lot more material, a lot more new parts would have to be made, new machining, in tool machining that is. So it would be about 1.5 to 2 inches wider. Right. And what they thought was, look, the old model was good. We know it was good. It was a great little bike. They wanted to keep it as close to that as possible. So they just thought it's easier, cheaper. Keeps the price, a good price for the people. So that's really the reasoning behind it. They've changed the gear.
So basically because the old one did?
Yeah, it has got slightly longer fifth gear.
Okay.
Slightly longer fifth. And then we had low paid if you brake.
Oh yeah.
So he's a good guy, and he, his words, we couldn't pay. If we would have paid him, we wouldn't have said anything better. He basically said, however much money you throw at a 300, it'll never be as good as the DRZ out of the box.
Well,
when I heard that, I was gobsmacked. Fabulous, glowing report.
Yeah.
Both of them did say if you're doing 70 miles an hour, it feels quite peaky. But are you going to be doing that a lot? I don't know.
Yeah.
Not much. Not much.
You're not going to be doing much liaison with
it's very
400, I suppose.
If you're sort of cruising anything between 50 and 65, you're going to be down near 70 miles to the gallon. There's a lot of differences on the engine than the old one. I mean, I can show you an image if you'd like.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's a lot different. Everything that is yellow is new to this engine.
Oh wow!
So
okay.
it's completely different to the old.
With the 800 you get the leg. The 700
It's a twin spark now.
Yeah.
Main form.
Yeah. And is that one? Is that weight empty?
No, that's on the road. So that's curb.
That's with fuel in it.
Fuel, oil, everything.
That's 151. That's pretty good.
Fraction heavier. We had Carl Nunn, who's a motocross rider, next British champion.
Yeah.
He did some filming for us. In fact, the video that we just released today was all Carl riding.
Yeah.
And he was saying it's really well balanced. When you're riding on off road, it's very, very well balanced.
Okay.
And the engine, it's the power is exactly where it should be. It's sort of the low and mid range. And he said the gearbox was incredibly smooth.
Right.
And obviously having the slipper clutch there, which is the old one didn't have, makes it just a little bit easier as well off road.
Yeah.
You can turn your ABS off on this now.
Right. Is that just one button?
Yeah, just on your adjustment button.
Oh yeah.
ABS.
Okay, that's good. Yeah. Dry sump.
Yeah, same setup. Yeah, with the sump.
Nice.
It's got a completely new designed frame and subframe separate, obviously.
Yeah.
It's not part of it. Like the Honda is all together.
Yeah.
This is separate. It's bolted on.
Right. So if you bend that, you can change it. Well, yeah. Wow. It's nice. I think they'll do very well. I think. Well, they've got to, haven't they?
Do you know what? When we launch a new model, you know, which is when the old model was so successful, there's always that worry in the back of your mind: have we got it right? You know, of course we were worried, but as soon as we had people riding and they were telling us about it, it was very good.
So yes, in conclusion, it does only have 5 gears, but for those riders who want a bike that will manage everything, so a bit of commuting as well as that weekend trail riding, or for beginners looking for a bit of a forgiving yet capable dual sport, or those who value reliability over cutting edge tech, then this is probably one for you. So thanks for watching, and if you're looking for a full review, check out Lel Pavy's review on Brake Magazine channel. I'll put a link at the end and one in the description.